In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GitHub account in the terminal. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the process of switching between GitHub accounts. If you're someone who needs to use multiple GitHub accounts, whether for personal projects or for service accounts, you're in luck. GitHub has made it relatively simple to switch between these accounts without the hassle of constantly re-entering your credentials every time. Imagine you have a personal account and a service account, or you may need to access managed user accounts within an organization. By following some straightforward steps, you can smoothly transition from one account to another without any interruptions to your workflow. First, let's add an account to your account switcher. This is a super easy process. Start by going to the upper right corner of any page on GitHub, where you'll find your profile picture. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. If you've previously added an account, simply select the Switch Account option. However, if you're adding an account for the first time, click on Add Account. This will prompt you to sign in to the new account you want to add. Just enter your credentials, and voila! You'll now be signed into this account immediately, and it will be available in the account switcher. Now that you have more than one account set up, switching between them is just as easy. Again, go to that upper right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Switch Account. A submenu will then appear, showing all the accounts you've added to your switcher. Simply click on the account you'd like to switch to, and you're done. It's a seamless transition that keeps you productive without forcing you to authenticate every single time. Just keep in mind that this will only work if your sessions are still active. If you encounter a situation where the switch account option isn't available because all sessions have expired, no need to worry. Just click on See All Accounts in the menu, and you'll be prompted to re-authenticate. Now, if at any point you want to remove an account from the switcher, that's also easy. Go back to your profile picture, click to open the menu, and look for the option that says Sign Out. Here, you'll have the choice to sign out of specific accounts or even all accounts at once. To remove the account you're currently using while signing out, just click Sign Out next to your username. If you want to remove another specific account, look for it in the list and click Remove next to that username. And finally, if you want to go all out and sign out from every account and remove them all from the switcher, simply click on Sign Out from All Accounts. And that's it. You now have the tools to manage multiple GitHub accounts directly from the terminal with ease. Just remember that these steps keep your workflow efficient and ensure you don't have to repeatedly enter your credentials. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to